The most important part of our body is our brain. We can get a tune-up in our heart, we can get our appendix removed, but once our brain waves are flatlined, life as we know it ceases to exist. So how do you know when your brain is getting out of balance? Well, totally cool new technology has gotten to the point where we are able to do some testing in the office. We are able to do a modified EEG, which is the same kind of test that a neurologist would use if someone were having seizures. So it checks the brain waves that are being produced, and we can do this locally in the office. Now this brain map, think of it as the directions of what's happening in your body. The brain controls everything. So if the brain's out of balance, it's going to give incorrect information and the body will follow that information. So when we are doing brain maps, we're finding amazing amounts of information that you wouldn't even realize was happening. For example, when a survey was done in our older population, they were asking, what do you fear most about the aging process? Now, when I first saw that survey, my thought would have been, they're going to be afraid of getting cancer. Everyone's afraid of cancer. Cancer's scary. But the results indicated that people were fearful of losing their memory, dementia, Alzheimer's. That's scary. And what people don't realize is we can detect a pattern early on that will indicate that their brain is not locking and loading and storing those memories so they can easily retrieve them. And we are then able to use neurointegration therapy to take the brain where they're at and to retrain it back into a pattern where they can remember things. I see patterns of brain inflammation. Now, brain inflammation is also linked to Alzheimer's dementia problems. And I see this pattern in people of all ages. It's not just the old, and it's not in everyone. So think of a brain map as getting the instructions of your healing journey that will really move the needle in a faster, clearer, more efficient way so you can get back to the purpose and the passion that you have in your life.